Hello, and welcome back to Super English Beginners, the podcast where we make English easy, warm, and fun. I'm Mizu.
Haha, yes. And I'm Lucas. Today we're talking about something everyone loves. Food, and more food.
Oh, wow, Mizu. Just saying food is making my stomach do that funny little growl already.
Same here, Lucas. Food always makes me feel warm, happy, and maybe just a tiny bit hungry.
Oh, totally. Even the sound of the word food makes my stomach go like, grrr.
I get it. I'm already thinking about my favorite dishes.
Wait, tell me, Mizu. Come on, now I'm curious.
I'm thinking about my mom's special soup. It's warm, comforting, and full of flavor. Every spoon feels like a soft little hug.
Oh, wow, that sounds amazing. I can almost smell it, Mizu. Almost. Food has this magic, right? It brings back memories.
Yes, and that's why today's episode is all about food, something we all understand deeply.
Yep, we'll talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, our favorite dishes, and some super useful English expressions you can use when you talk about food.
So if you love food like we do, stay here with us. This episode is fun, warm, and very, very tasty.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode, okay? You'll make our day and help more learners too.
All right, ready to jump in? Maybe grab a snack first.
Because we're talking about yummy, delicious, unforgettable food. Let's get started.
So let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast. Lucas, what do you usually eat in the morning?
Breakfast. Well, I usually have some bread with cheese and a cup of black coffee.
Super simple, but wow, it wakes me up so fast, like boom.
Oh, black coffee? Wow, that's strong, Lucas. I need something a little softer in the morning.
Yeah. Black coffee isn't for everyone, but it makes me feel alive, awake, ready to go. Sometimes I also eat a boiled egg or a croissant, when I want something extra.
How about you, Mizu? What's your breakfast like?
I love a healthy breakfast. I usually have scrambled eggs, toast, and avocado or banana. Sometimes I add tomato or a smoothie on the side. So fresh, so tasty.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I love avocado, Mizu. It's creamy, soft, perfect with toast. Now I'm getting hungry again just hearing you talk about it.
Me too. But honestly, Lucas, not every morning is like that. Sometimes I'm in such a rush, I don't have time to cook anything.
Oh, I know that feeling, Mizu. On busy mornings, I just grab something quick, like a banana, an apple, or a yogurt cup. Easy, fast, done.
Exactly. I also like keeping overnight oats in the fridge. Just grab and go, healthy, simple, no stress.
That's such a good idea. I should try that, Mizu. You're right. Breakfast doesn't need to be fancy. Just something small to give you energy and keep you going until lunch.
Yes, whether it's a full meal or just a snack, having something in the morning helps you feel better all day long.
All right. Let's move on and talk about lunch. For me, lunch is the big meal of the day. I like something healthy and something filling, something that gives me real energy.
Me too. Lunch keeps me alive in the afternoon, helps me work, think, move, everything. So, Lucas, what do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually go for grilled meat, like grilled chicken or grilled fish with a little lemon juice on top. And I add steamed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, sometimes sweet potatoes.
It's fresh, colorful, super healthy,
Wow, that sounds delicious and good for you. I love broccoli too, Lucas. Especially when the edges get a little crispy. Oh, I love that.
Haha, yes, same here, Mizu. And I try not to eat too much rice or bread at lunch. Just a little is okay, but I focus on protein and veggies. What about you, Mizu? What's your perfect lunch?
For lunch, I usually choose steak with a big, fresh salad. My salad always has lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and sometimes avocado or a little feta cheese. Crunchy, refreshing, satisfying.
Steak and salad? That is such a perfect combo, Mizu.
You've got your protein, your greens, and lots of flavor.
Yes! And I love adding olive oil and lemon on top. So simple, but it makes everything taste brighter.
Sounds like you really know how to enjoy lunch, Mizu.
I try. Honestly, I think lunch is the most important meal of the day. It keeps me strong until dinner, so I always try to eat something real, something healthy.
Totally agree. A good lunch keeps your body strong, keeps your mind happy for the rest of the day. And it helps you avoid those afternoon cravings. You know, I need cookies right now moment at 3 p.m.
Guilty. That's exactly why I try to eat enough at lunchtime. It makes such a big difference. Now, let's talk about dinner. I usually like to eat something light, something gentle in the evening.
Me too. Dinner shouldn't be too heavy. So, Mizu, what do you usually eat?
I love soup, especially vegetable soup. It's warm, soft, and so easy to digest. Sometimes I eat pasta, like spaghetti with tomato sauce. Simple, but so tasty.
Spaghetti with tomato sauce? That sounds perfect, Mizu. I sometimes eat pizza for dinner, with cheese and pepperoni. Yeah, not the healthiest, but oh man, it's good.
Everyone loves pizza sometimes, Lucas. But yes, dinner should stay light. I also enjoy a little wine in the evening. Just a little. It helps me relax.
Same here. Just a small glass. Something light. Nothing too strong. It helps me slow down, breathe. You know?
I heard that a little wine at night can help you sleep better and even make your skin glow. But only a tiny bit, of course.
Exactly. A light dinner and a small glass of wine, that's my perfect evening too. Okay, now let's talk about snacks. I love snacks. Like, really love them.
Same here. Snacks feel like little treats during the day. So, Lucas, what do you usually eat for a snack?
I like healthy snacks. Fruit, yogurt, things like that.
Sometimes I make a smoothie with bananas and milk. It's cold, refreshing, simple.
Ooh, yes. Smoothies are the best. I love adding apples or berries. So fresh. So good. A happy little snack.
But sometimes I want something sweet.
Same here. Sometimes I eat a cookie or a tiny piece of cake. It feels like a reward, like, good job, Mizu, after a long day.
Yes. Or I grab a little soda or some snack food, but I try not to eat too much.
Exactly. It's totally okay to enjoy treats, just a small amount. Balance, balance, balance.
Right. A healthy snack most of the time, and a sweet treat sometimes. That's perfect for me, too.
All right, now it's time to talk about our favorite food. Lucas, I'm really curious. What's your number one favorite?
Oh, wow, that's a tough one. But I think my favorite is my mom's homemade food. She makes the most amazing spaghetti and pancakes. The smell, the taste, everything feels warm,
soft and special.
Aw, that's so sweet, Lucas. Homemade food really is the best. It always has this special feeling, right?
Yes, exactly. It's not just the taste. It's the love, the memories, everything that comes with it.
I love that. For me, my favorite food is sushi and soup. I love how sushi is soft, light, fresh, and it looks so beautiful on the plate, like tiny art pieces.
Yes, sushi always looks like art, Mizu. And soup, warm soup is so comforting.
Yes, I could eat sushi and soup every day and never, ever get tired of them.
I think food is special because it connects to our feelings and our memories.
Favorite food is more than food. It's part of our story.
So true. And now we want to hear your story. What's your favorite food?
Yes, tell us in the comments or share with a friend. We'd love to hear about your delicious favorites.
All right, let's pretend we're at a restaurant now. I'll be the waitress and Lucas will be the customer. Ready, Lucas?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm hungry already.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. Can I have spaghetti with tomato sauce, please?
Of course. And would you like something to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon.
That was fun. And these phrases are super useful when you order food in English.
Yes. For example, are you ready to order? That's what the waiter says when they want to take your order.
And you can say, can I have, or I would like. Both are polite and very natural.
And don't forget please and thank you. They make you sound polite, friendly, and a little charming too.
Exactly. And at the end, you can say, can I have the bill, please, when you want to pay? Or, could we pay, please? Both are common, both are polite. Practicing these phrases will make you feel confident, calm, and ready when you eat at a restaurant in English.
Wow, we talked about so many tasty things today. I'm getting hungry again.
Yes, we did. Let's do a quick little review of what we learned.
First, we talked about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. We shared our favorite foods and some healthy choices too.
Then we practiced useful phrases for ordering food at a restaurant. Like, can I have? I would like, and are you ready to order?
And of course, we talked about polite words like please and thank you. Small words, tiny words, but so important.
That's right. And remember, Mizu, learning English can feel fun and natural when you talk about everyday topics, simple topics like food.
So here's our question for you. What is your favorite food?
Tell us in the comments, or say it out loud to practice speaking. We'd really love to hear your answers.
And don't forget, keep practicing English with small, simple conversations every day. Tiny practice, little practice. It really goes a long way.
Thank you for listening to Super English Beginners. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.